If you're looking for a lightweight moisturizer that's really calming to your skin and doesn't leave your skin feeling greasy, this is one of my favorite moisturizers. It's from Skin1004. It's their Madagascar Centella Soothing Cream, and I honestly think it's a great option for just about every skin type. I have combination skin, but I could definitely see oily skin loving this because the texture is so lightweight and refreshing. It's packed with Centella asiatica to help calm irritation and reduce redness, while skin-friendly ingredients like ceramides, cholesterol, and stearic acid work together to strengthen and repair your skin barrier. I had a flare-up recently where I had some dry patches, which I think was just an issue with my skin barrier, and once I started using this cleared up in like a day or so. This has a slightly acidic pH that helps support your skin's natural moisture barrier, making it especially nice if your skin feels sensitive, irritated, or overworked. This has a gel texture, it feels cooling, and it absorbs quickly without feeling heavy. This is one of my go-to moisturizers because it leaves my skin feeling hydrated, calm, and comfortable, and it's really affordable as well. It's surprisingly affordable for how well it performs. If you want to check it out for yourself, I'll have it linked in the description below.